National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nora, or 15 miles southwest of Monroe, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, South Wayne, Browntown, and Judah. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado